When disasters happen, we want as many citizens as possible to behave in certain ways. Using news media, for example radio and television, is a good strategy for that. Also use the organization's own homepage and social media profiles on Facebook, WhatsApp, or other official platforms. This is because it is important to communicate through many different medias. If you want to reach out to as many people as possible, this will also give citizens the experience that your messages get confirmed by different sources. For example, a citizen sees a Facebook post, which later gets confirmed in a news program on television. An elderly citizen maybe hears the news on the radio or from a neighbor and then checks the municipality's homepage to confirm. Others expect to be contacted directly if the information is important enough. On your own homepages or social media profiles, it is possible for you to control which messages are sent out. Trust the media to relay information during a disaster, but remember they can edit your message and that they frame the story. It is important to differentiate between present disasters, where there is a need for warning, and for guiding citizens on what to do right now. In that case, the media attention is normally large. And future potential disasters, where the information will be about the citizens' own prevention and preparedness. Here, the news media rarely prioritize bringing your messages out to the public. Finally, you might need to apply alternative channels and media in cases of cyber attacks or power outage. Therefore, don't abandon the traditional methods of communication such as posters, stickers, or letters. They have an impact. There are numerous channels available when you need to communicate to the public. From case to case, you need to consider which media to apply to reach your target groups as precisely as possible. Learn more at the Links Community Centre.